Hi everybody, today's video will cover a short demonstration of Dolbey's Fusion Narrate cloud medical speech recognition software. And when using Fusion Narrate, you don't have to worry about which EHR you're using because we are agnostic to it. Narrate can dictate into any of the EHRs on the market. And that's because of the integration that we're doing is we're overlaying on those EHRs. We don't require a back-end integration like some other speech recognition software. So today I'm dictating into our demonstration EMR, but you can apply the same workflow and ideas to your environment. So we'll go ahead and get started. Start EMR. So we've got a simple voice command that we program that will launch a program for us, and that's our demonstration EMR. And then I've got another voice command that I created that I can select a patient and then dictate progress note. And that will bring up the progress note and do a couple clicks for me to bring that up and put me right where I need to be so I can begin dictating. Patient reports progressively worsening chest pain over the past 6 months while exercising, denies headaches or sudden visual changes, period. As you can see, I can dictate pretty quickly and the words will come up on the screen in near real time. As soon as I let go of that record button, you can see that it made a final pass and recognition on that audio and immediately put the rest of the text on the screen. So you can see the only reason why there is a delay is because it's processing those words in the cloud before it puts the text on the screen. That way it can give us the best accuracy in relation to the context of what we're speaking about. Objective. So we can build commands like this in many EHRs. If you want to be able to jump from place to place, you can build commands where it will switch your focus if in a number of different ways. So that's an option too. Vital signs within normal limits, patient alert and oriented to person, place, and time, denies nausea or vomiting, lungs sound clear, no edema noted, period. So as you can see, you can dictate pretty quickly as long as you are clear and concise and you dictate all your punctuation, you'll get very good recognition and accuracy. Assessment. So in this area, I like to kind of play around with our templating or a macro text or what I like to call voice shortcuts. So for example, normal exam template. This is one way you can do a physical or normal exam or bring up some macro text is to bring up a templated version of it. So that gives us these, it's like a normal physical exam. So if everything was perfectly fine and we didn't need to change anything, I could just press a button and move on. But if there is something in here that I need to change, I have buttons on my microphone that I can bounce to and then change that particular information. Heart rate irregular with occasional S3 gallop and mitral valve murmur, period. So as soon as I change that information and it's updated, I can press a button on my microphone and it transfers over. Now, as you can see, all those brackets are gone and it's nice clean text. But let's say I wanted to do something a little bit different and maybe I want the text to go right into my EMR. Normal exam. So I can bring up my just normal exam without my template and I can manipulate this text however I would like. I can do it with a keyboard and mouse manually if I want, or I can use voice commands and do it that way, or a combination of both. So for example, all caps, no allergic reactions. Select no cough. Mild cough. Insert after endocrine. Sorry, let me do it one more time. Insert after endocrine. No weight gain or loss, period. So you can see you can make these edit commands where you can insert the cursor wherever you want. You can select voice and tell it to capitalize it or replace it with something different. So you have these options to essentially edit your text that you dictated or even your templated macro text as well. Plan. And in this area, I like to show off some of our multi-step workflow options that we have. We have this ability to create these complex workflows, or they could be even simple as well, but we can create these that will do multiple steps and eliminate a lot of clicks for the doctors. So for example, let's go into our shortcuts here. So we're going to go and look at our shortcuts in this account, and this particular shortcut that we want to do is called our lab results shortcut. And what we've done here is we created a multiple step shortcut that will eliminate some of the repetitive steps for the doctor. So in this example, in the plan section here, we want to access our lab results. We wanted to go down to a particular lab result information that we use all the time for the patient in this example, and then we wanted to copy it, close the window, and paste it into here. And for that to happen is multiple steps. So we'll show you how we built that out. It's really simple. We have this option called Vision Click, where we're able to capture a picture of the button using our capture button here. It's just a little screen grab that we can take, and our program will automatically locate the matching button on your screen and click it for you, and it'll do it super quickly. We also can build in delays, so after we click on that button, usually it takes about a little bit of time for the window to open up. And then after that, we wanted to go down. We programmed down, 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 and copy, and to be able to copy that particular information we're looking for. And then we have another vision click that we're closing the window. We're delaying for the window to close, just only 0.2 seconds. And then finally, we're doing a Control V. So we can do these very simplistic, or it can be as complicated as you want, these workflows that will essentially eliminate a lot of clicks and save a lot of time for the doctor. So we'll show you how that looks. Lab results. And it's going to happen very quickly there, as you can see, and it will do that as many times as you need. And if you do that, as far as if you do a workflow similar to this for many patients throughout the day, that could save you a lot of time. And you know, this may not be an example that maybe works well for your workflow, but think about how you can apply this same idea where we can do these steps for you, these repetitive steps, just with a button press or a command that you speak, and it can perform those. That's the end of the demonstration portion of it. I just wanted to do a quick demonstration, and I hope everybody has a great day. Contact us if you need any more information.